Hey y'all, it's Whitney of WhitneyJDecor.com, and I am so excited to announce that I am joining the One Room Challenge, making over my laundry room. So welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you click subscribe. I'm a New Orleans-based interior designer and blogger, and I have a lot more videos on their way out. I'm trying to make this YouTube thing a thing. I have a few other videos, so go check those out. But I have a lot more content planned. And then this will be a weekly series throughout the 6 weeks of the One Room Challenge where I'll come on. It's going to be shot like, like a vlog series. So not any fancy editing or stuff, which I don't know how to do that anyway. But make sure you come back and check it out. And I'll have links in my description box that tells you or gives you links to whatever we're talking about. So anyway, let me show you my laundry room. All right, so here's the laundry room, y'all. There's a lot to do. So just so you know, this pretty much is what this laundry room looked like when we moved in. The only thing that we did was get new washer and dryer. Everything else, like this disgusting utility sink and the low toilet, the previous owners had that here, so we're updating all of it. Everything in here is being updated. We are removing the baseboards, installing this porcelain tile that we have in our kitchen and hallway. I am getting rid of this bar up here. New vanity. I'm putting the actual bathroom vanity here. New toilet. The washer and dryer is going to be switched. I'm planning on putting the dryer on this side. And that shelf is coming down. This cabinet is coming down. This light fixture situation is coming down or being replaced. Ceilings being scraped. And then over here, this little panel here is coming down as well. I will be doing a fun stencil treatment on the walls. I'm painting the ceiling a bold color. And I'm just gonna, fancy it up a bit. Put a fabric Roman shade on the window. And yeah, there's a lot to do. I'm excited. I will have more information about my plans or at least my goals for this space on the blog, so that'll be in the description. The link to that will be in the description. And that's all I have. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and watch the progress. So as you can see, I have a lot to do. I'm very excited. I am a little overwhelmed because I don't like taking on these kind of projects where I'm doing all the work. I'm not really feeling that, but I'm excited to get the laundry room cleaned up because actually, to be honest, I spend a lot of time in here. I don't really use the bathroom in here because I'm just kind of grossed out with that situation. But I plan on making it like a little retreat for me because I like to wash clothes. And I would like to at least enjoy being in here when I'm in here. So I want to turn it from what it is now, which is like a utility room with a toilet. And now I want to turn it into like a bathroom with laundry, if that makes sense. So I definitely want to go really glam, just eclectic, layered. I'll have some art in here, some plants. And I just want it to be a very enjoyable place to wash clothes and even use the bathroom. And right now when we have 2 full baths and this half bath, so I'm hoping that once we do this little mini reno, we'll be able to have guests come in here, because usually we're like, if they have to use the bathroom, you have to go to the other bathroom, the hall bath, the guest bath. And now I want to be like, yeah, girl, go into that bathroom down in the kitchen or down near the kitchen. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And if you make your way to my blog, which you should, make sure you subscribe there too.